What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about very briefly what's going on in the stock market and what I'm doing during these bearish times. So we're going to be using Palantir as an example, and they had a really good day today, ran up almost 10% at some point and closed up 8.91%. And even though it had this really great day today, if we look at the 3-month chart, it's just been dropping and dropping and dropping regardless of whatever positive news comes out. So what I'm going to say, and I keep trying to phrase my things carefully because I don't want to say what I recommend, because I'm not a financial advisor. At the end of the day, my videos are just meant to, it's an entertaining thing, hopefully, for my 80 subscribers who probably like my content. Thank you very much, by the way. But this is just me trying to provide everyone on my channel with some information that could be useful, and hopefully y'all can make some money. So at the end of the day, though, it's your money, and I don't want to put people in a situation where they could potentially lose a lot of money. So that's why I'm being careful with the way that I say things. So if I do slip up and say this is what you should do, just keep in mind that you still have to do your own research and think about these moves before you actually do anything, because at the end of the day, this is your money, and whatever you decide to do with it, you have to take the responsibility for that. So anyways, back to the topic of the video. Right now, the whole general market has been dropping day after day after day, and some of these drops have been pretty dramatic. So it all depends on which stock you're looking at, but Palantir in particular has been funny, and I'm gonna put up this little picture that I thought it was funny. Someone posted on this group chat. It was Charlie's The Trader U Circle on Facebook. They posted this comment about how Palantir is one of the few companies that when they gain contracts, they lose valuation. Like, the company just drops. And another person once said, and again, I'll put these screenshots up so you can see them, give credit where credit's due. But this other person said how oh, there's going to be a positive catalyst for Palantir tomorrow, make sure you sell. So that's basically what's been going on in the market, is even companies that have good catalysts, good news, have been dropping. Now, what I think you should be doing, and what I'm doing personally, is if you've done your research on a company, you know what they're worth, you have a price target in mind, and it's below that price target and nothing fundamentally has changed about the company, then these drops, when it's across the board, the general market is dropping, then these are just perfect buying opportunities to get undervalued stock. And this has been my situation with Palantir. I think it's still undervalued at $25.42. And while I'm not going to be picking up any shares right now because I already have my position established with Palantir, if you haven't, $25 is still not terrible. It did run up 9%, so maybe wait for a cool down or a cool off. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. No one can predict the stock market, and who knows if Palantir is going to drop tomorrow or if it's going to continue to rally. At the end of the day, you have to do, again, your own research and put your money where you think it's safe and best at for potential growth. So that's kind of the whole gist of this video. I don't want to ramble on for too long, but I do know that there's a lot more fear in the market right now. People are scared, seeing everything drop, even after good news, positive catalysts. And my piece of advice is don't sell. If you bought into a company, you have a position, and especially if you're down on that position, don't sell just because it's going down. You should hold on to it until it comes back up, and eventually, you'll recoup those losses if you do have losses, and you'll start making money. And that's really how it works. You just have to be patient. You have to know that the company that you did your research on is a solid company, and have that price target in mind about what position, or not what position, what price are you going to hit, that valuation. And once it approaches that valuation, get ready to sell out of the position if you feel like it's not going to continue to rise. And just again, you have to be patient. That's, at the end of the day, what is happening right now. It's testing people to see, by it I mean the stock market is testing people to see if you're actually really doing your research on these companies. So that's going to be it for today. Just remember, if you know what the company is worth, continue to hold, average down, one of the two, but don't sell. You really just want to hold for the long term, and that's how you're going to see your money grow. Invest in good companies, hold long term, even through the pullbacks, and you're going to see some money growth. So that's going to be it for today. thank you all for watching. I appreciate every single one of my subscribers, and even though I've been gone for I think like a month and a half, I still like very much appreciate my 80 some subscribers. Like, y'all are the best, and I hope you all have a great day.